mo ngayon. Para yan sa nanay ko!
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Viral ngayon ang napaka-iconic scene nina Dimples Romana at Andrea Brillantes, bilang sina Tori at Sky sa kanilang teleserye ngayon na High Street. Ipinakita ni Andrea sa kanyang social media account ang behind the scenes ng kanilang sampalan, at talagang napakatotoo ng kanilang pagganap kaya ramdam na ramdam ng kanilang mga manunood. Some of the most difficult scenes to perform as an actor are scenes like this. Grabe! It's my first time ever to ever sampal a veteran actress like Ate Dimples Romana. And wow, what an honor! Before, I was always the one getting slapped in ka din ng ginto, at ngayon nakabawi na din ako. Charot lang ate. I love you so much. Jokes aside, as an actor, this really is part of the job so we can fully give justice to our characters and provide satisfying scenes for our lovely viewers. So ito na nga, the long-awaited war between Tori and Sky has begun. Please stay tuned until the very end of the last 2 weeks of High Street. Ito ang caption ni Andrea sa kanilang video.
Para yan sa nanay ko! Mo ngayon.